Look behind your right shoulder to catch a glimpse of the magnificent C-17 taking a curved path as it graciously turns in front of you, streaming the tricolor in the skies, trailing right behind the Surikirans in arrowhead formation. The captain of C-17 is Wing Commander Akshay Saxena, and leading the Hawks is Group Captain Gurpreet Singh Dhillon. Flying with Dhillon is Chennai's own boy, Group Captain Dashrathi, who witnessed the air show in the year 2003 at the very same Marina Beach and vowed to fly in the skies of Chennai one day to mesmerize you all.